Grandmother tonight is stunned and concerned after a judge ruled that her 6-year-old granddaughter will be sent to live in Mexico to live with her father. He was deported after serving jail time for assault. So we wanted to know what led up to this decision. How was it made? Lisa Balick went to ask some tough questions today. And Lisa, why does the judge and the state child protection workers think this is the right thing to do?
Kelly, a lot of it has to do with state law. Now, I saw how heart-wrenching this ruling was for the girl's mom and her maternal grandmother who were there. The girl was born here. She's a U.S. citizen, but the judge believes the law says she belongs with her dad in Mexico.
Right now, I just want to crawl home.
A grandmother fears she will never see her 6-year-old granddaughter again. Harry, what was your thoughts when you first got the indication that that's how she was going to rule? A grandmother's grief. She had gotten the governor and lawmakers to urge a judge to look at the state's decision to send the child to Mexico to live with her father. He had served prison time in Oregon for assault, then was deported last year. The child's mother and the grandmother have been in trouble with the law and can't have custody. So the child's been living in foster care for the past 2 years. But the judge decided today that with a plan including Mexican social workers monitoring the child, it's best for her to leave and live with her father. Gene, how do you think this paints DHS in terms of pushing to return this child to a convicted felon?
Well, DHS returns children to their parents across the state, across the country, out of the country every day.
I asked DHS why state social workers think this is the best, rather than place her up for adoption here, where she was born.
Kids come into child welfare system and into foster care because their parents have issues with abuse or neglect. And once the parents can address those issues, those kids are cleared by the court, as happened today, to go home.
When I asked today, I found out that DHS says they reunite 2,100 kids a year with parents who regain custody. In this case, the dad is promising to let the girl keep in touch by phone and internet and allow Oregon family to visit. But it will be up to the Mexican government to intervene if there are problems once she's back in the custody of her father. Dan?